Hi guys. Shreya, what are you doing in school, ma?
At school, we're doing cubes now.
Oh, cubic. Cubic and cube root, huh?
Wait, give me a second. My output's gonna go.
Sure.
Yeah.
Shreya, what are you doing, ma? Hey guys, I want everybody on the video. We have had enough with not videos yesterday. So everybody should be on videos whatsoever because I have had a class yesterday wherein kids shared the login, Zoom login with somebody else. And those guys logged in with the name of our own kids. And then they started sharing YouTube videos during class time. So I really want everybody on the videos. Mm, okay, I know we are going very slow in this class. The other class is going fast. However, Anisha, what are you doing in school, ma?
We started linear programming today.
For linear programming. Is it easy?
I kind of
So,
forgot.
okay. Shreya, what are you doing, ma? Let me try to cover yours all.
Today we're learning like discriminants and stuff.
Or is it easy or hard on you?
Yeah, it's easy.
Discriminant is easy. So, okay.
Mhm.
What did we do last week? I really, meaning in this class, I have to speed up, but I don't know how to speed up. Okay, let's see what we can do. Okay. I missed you last class, right, Tanisha?
Oh, I
280.
came late. I came
Yeah, you had something going on, 287. Yeah, yeah. Linear programming is next, right? 287. Okay. So we solved three variable three equations, right? Using matrices, I remember. Okay. Now I'm going to go into linear inequalities and linear programming. Okay. Further to that, I will get started with polynomials, cubic cube root functions. Okay. We really need to finish linear inequalities and linear programming for today. Let's see. Let's see how much we can. That's what is in the book, or the book as well. Akshita, what are you doing in school? Akshita, what are you doing in school, ma?
I'm doing directrix.
We finished that, right? No?
I don't know.
One
I don't
minute.
think I was here during that class.
Did we do directrix focus and all, Anisha? We did, right? Okay, we did, I think so. Meaning I just want to be sure that we are doing in proper order. Okay. So we are good. So linear inequalities we'll do. Akshada, we did directrix focus, right? You were there in class. Subi,
Yeah.
directrix focus we discussed, right? Okay. 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 Let's move.
Priya auntie,
Huh.
I need to leave at around 6:50 today.
Sure, ma. There was also another ask. You both are going for the same thing, Shita and Akshada?
No.
No.
Okay. Okay. Each of you have different things. Okay. Both of you want to leave early. Please, okay. I do respect the other activities too. Leave early, but then please go over what we discussed. Come prepared for the next class. That's only my request. Akshada, you're on top of your homework, right? As for every week, you're asking questions that you don't know, right, Akshada?
Yeah.
Just make sure, guys, whoever wants to CBE, you have to be on top. Same thing with Krishav and Avni. Subi, make sure you follow whatever is required, okay?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I didn't understand something in the homework this week, so I couldn't.
Absolutely. Tell me the question number, page number.
It was on matrices.
Uh-huh.
On page 278.
278. What is that? You didn't understand. Tell me.
On question 6, I didn't really understand how to.
6.
I didn't understand like what the process was to get to the answer.
Wait a minute. Question 6. Question 7, I'm saying.
I think it's like different. It says
Uh,
question 6 for me.
Okay, let me tell me the question number. Tell me
Question.
the question details. Sorry. Just read out the question.
Did I like just read out the equations?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have that right, so it's okay. Read it out to me.
X plus 2y plus z equals 8.
I
Two-
do have it. 2x plus y minus z, yeah?
Yeah.
Plus y minus z equal to 4. X plus y. Is this the same question, check ma? But I have it in a different number.
Yeah, this is the same question.
Oh, that's good. So can we quickly do this using matrices? So that you all review that once, right? Did they teach you matrices in school, Anisha?
They're not having us do the row operation. They're skipping that. They just want us to know what matrices are.
That's all?
I mean, I can I
Oh,
know how to do
wow.
this like the other way with like substitution and elimination. I just don't get
No
doing
problem,
it.
ma. Meaning we'll go over once, ma. Because whatsoever at the end of it, it's not that you have to do great job. Meaning you have to do good job in algebra too. But at the same time, I want you to have good mathematic foundation. You need it, ma. Solving Gaussian elimination. Because I remember there was a time in PISD where they dealt with every single detail in matrices. Meaning till the end they'll go. Till the end they'll solve using matrices. So I don't know why they skip it now, but I'm going to go ahead. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 8. 2 1 minus 1 4 1 1 3 7. This is what you did, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now Shreya, you guys want to say or I'll say? 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys. Okay. After doing this, right, putting it into a matrix, right? So what do we do? What will we do? What do you think we can do? Anybody come out and talk out, guys. So you should know how to resolve a matrix to an identity matrix. Go ahead.
The first step I tried was for row 3, I did 2 times row 2 plus row 3.
So you wanted to do
Like
these zeros, is it? Is it, ma?
yeah.
Yeah, I'm
And
hearing you.
to
Let's see.
make
So what
and
did
to
you do?
make the 3 into a 1.
Make the 3. This one?
Yeah, that's like
Okay, yeah. I'm with you. So
yeah.
what did you do? Go ahead. What did you do?
So I multiplied row 2
Okay,
by
let's
2.
row 3, yeah?
Row,
Row 3 times 2.
no, I did
Okay, Subi, please go ahead and tell me what you did.
okay, so I like the whole row 2 I multiplied by 2.
Row 2, Amma.
Yeah.
Why would you multiply row 2 by 2?
So
What
like
were, hmm.
the negative one could become -2, and then like when I add that with row 3, it'd be -2 plus 3, which would change it to a 1.
This one?
Yeah.
But you know what? That's why I'm saying try to make these 3 zeros.
Okay.
So what will be the first step? You tell me. Can I make this into a 2 and then subtract? Can I do that? R3 goes to 2 row 3 minus row 2. Can I do that?
Yeah.
That way I'll make this. This is my culprit. These 3 are my culprit. I want them to be zeros. You got it?
Yeah.
Can I do that? Yeah, I really want to do that, Amma. Or okay, one another way what I can do. I can do this. See, I don't know if I would land it correctly. Let's see. Row 3 goes to row 3 minus row 1. Can we try that? I don't know. I have to see. Okay, let's see. Let's see what I get. Can we try that? Or I can do this. See, when I look at this, right, instead of doing this, row 3 can go to row 3, 2 times row 3. That's what I feel like very safe. 1, 2, 1, 8, 2, 1 minus 1, 4, 2, 2, 6, 2, right? 14. Any questions here? Now, I
Oh,
have to make this.
I thought every time you did, like, every time you did something, I thought you had to do it with a different row.
Not really. You can multiply with the same row, ma.
Oh, you don't have to like.
No, I'm just multiplying row 3 with the 2. Scalar multiplication. I just multiply the number 2 with the row 3 elements. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, that is possible. Okay. Now, if I do that, right, what can I, meaning, can I make this a 0? How to make this a 0? Row 3, can I say
Subtract.
row 3 goes to row 3 minus, or I can do row 2 goes to row 2 minus row 3. Can I do that? No, I don't want to do that. Let me do this one. R3 goes to R3 minus R2. What happens? So 1, 2, 1, 8, 2, 1 minus 1, 4, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 6 minus 1 is 7, 14 minus 4 is 10. Make sense? Okay, now what can I do? I can make this 0, right? Can I make this 0? Row 3 goes to, no, not really. I can't do that. Okay. Shall I make this one 0? This one 1. This one, can I make it to R2 goes to R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2R1 is 1, 2, 1, 8. R2 minus 2R1 is 0. R2, 1 minus 2 times 2 is minus 3. Because 1 minus 4 will be there, right? The next one is minus 1 minus 2R1 is 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 times 1 is minus 3, right? Am I making sense, guys? If I'm not making sense, you have to stop me, please. 1 minus 2 times 2, correct. And then the last one is 4 minus 2 times 8. 4 minus 16 is minus 12. Everything is correct. 0, 1, 7, 10. Any questions, guys? Any questions in what I'm doing? I did R2 goes to R2 minus 2R1. I got this. Now I can divide everything by what? By minus 3, right? If I divide everything by minus 3, what happens? R2 goes to R2 by minus 3. If I do that, 1, 2, 1, 8, 0, 1, 1, 4, 0, 1, 7, 10. Now I'm getting slowly. Do you see it? What I can do, guys? Any thoughts? So this is perfect. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. These all I should not change. This is correct as well. So what is it I need to change now? Yeah, I can do this. You see, I'm coming this way now and I'm going this way. Now see here, this I can do. R1, row 1 goes to row 1 minus 2 row 3. 2 row 2. 2 row 2 or row 3. 2 row 2 I'll do. So R1 goes to R1 minus 2 row 2. 1. Here becomes 0. And then R1 minus 2 row 2. So it's a minus 1. R1 minus 8. Minus 8 is a 0. Now 0, 1, 1, 4, 0, 1, 7, 10. Now what happens, guys? What can I do about it? I have to make this 0, right? How to make this 0? I don't know. Can I make what else? I can make this 0, guys. So row 3. Row 3 goes to row 3 minus row 2. Shreya, are you following, ma?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 0 minus 1, 0, 1, 1. Row 3 goes to row 3 minus row 2, right? Okay, 7 minus 1 is a 6, and then 10 minus 1 again is a 6. See, it's nicely coming, I feel, I don't know. Then again, I can divide this by 6 and make it into 1, 1. Now, what are the other factors I should do? What are the other things I should do? Basically, this should become 0, right, guys? So I can do R2 to make this 0, but at the same time, I have to make, I don't know, I have to make this 0, but at the same time, I have to make this 0 as well. What can I do, guys? 1 second, 1 second. Amma, Okay, now any thoughts, guys?
Could you add row 3 to row 1?
Row 3 to row 1 and put it in where, ma? Put it where?
Put in row 1.
Row 1 goes to row 1 minus row 3, you're saying? Yeah, good
Yeah.
idea. Good idea. Nice. Yes, you can do that. Very good job. 1, 0, 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. That's okay to change this. It's okay to change this, but you should not be changing whatever was already made. This is all perfect, you see. So
Be row
0, 1, 1, 4, and then 0, 0, 1, 1. What is the next step? So we got almost everything excluding this. What do I do? Yeah, I can
Row
do.
2
See,
minus row 3.
correct. That's what I would do. 1, 0, 0. Row 2 is row 2 minus row 3, right? That's it. That's it, ma'am. You got it, right? The answer 1, 3. I got the answer minus 1, 3, 1.
Is it because you would add row 3 to row 1 instead of subtracting?
Did I make a mistake somewhere, ma'am? I'm checking, wait. Here, what did I do? Row 1 minus 2, row 3. Row 1, row 3, that's correct. Row 3. Here again, what did I do? Row 1 plus row 3. Row 1 minus row 3 did I do? Oh yeah, that's the deal. Here I made a mistake, right? R1 plus row 3 is 0, 0. Yes, ma. Perfect. Thank you, lady. That's it. Make sense? It's just some more focus, ma. You won't get it. You won't make a mistake at all. Just understand this. This is quite important to solve using matrices. Can I go ahead? Okay. We'll go to linear inequalities, guys. So that's quite important. Linear inequalities, I'll solve the easy ones, guys. Okay, that is how your schools do. Okay, but 4 5 years back, I was at a point where I used to work with linear inequalities, particularly with PASD students, on very hard linear programming problems. Nowadays, nobody solves that, and we don't go in depth at all. How about this? X plus y less than 4, y greater than or equal to 2x minus 2. Do you all know how to solve using a calculator?
Yes.
Do you all know? Okay, then go ahead and solve using a calculator. I don't mind. But at the same, yeah, go ahead and solve using a calculator that can solve both. Do you know how to put it into the calculator? Not really.
Miss Priya, sorry I'm late. There was a bit of
Mom, we're not going classroom.
One sec. Go ahead.
Got there were 3.
Go ahead, guys. Can I show you using a calculator quick?
Can you show
Anish?
me?
Yeah. I can show you using a calculator. I think these things you can use a calculator because linear programming will take a lot of time. So I really want you to know using a calculator this. I can show you. Let me go to the screen with a calculator. Anya, I really want videos on math. Sorry, okay, because I've had enough without kids not
No.
switching on the calculator. Yesterday we had a hard time in one of the classes, so everybody
Yeah,
should
sorry,
be
I
looking.
forgot. I logged in really quickly.
No problem at all, ma'am. No, then I'll ask, don't worry. Okay, let me go ahead and share screen first. I'm going to do it in the calculator and show you. Guys, get used to the calculator. I hope all of you have your own PA84 calculators, correct? Having it is so much better. Akshata, did you buy? Did you buy, Krishna?
I've had one for a long time.
Sorry, I didn't get you. What was that?
I've had one for a bit now.
Okay, good. Okay. Akshada, you have one or what do you do, ma?
I have one, but it doesn't have any charge in it.
Oh, that's okay. Okay, but please practice using that. That's all. Not now though.
Can I use the online one
Yeah,
like
yeah,
for now?
sure. It's the same, right? But definitely have a
Yeah.
physical calculator that you can take for the SAT exam. Okay, can I go ahead and do? So the question is, if you are able to do by yourself, please do it by yourself. X plus y is less than 4. Y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 2. So x plus y is less than 4. Now where do I go? I go y equal to. See, you can change. See, guys, go to the leftmost point. You can change. Enter. You can
Yeah,
change with the.
wait, Miss Priya, how do you add y?
What is that, ma?
Like I understand how to do this, but how do you do x plus y?
Oh, we don't do that, right? We change it, right? Good question, though. We change it, amma. Y is less than subtract minus x less than 4 minus x, y greater than or equal to 2. Now you can type, right?
Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I needed help with. All right, thanks.
So, guys, this is going to be less than equal to, right? So there's something you can change here. Go there, go to your stat plot. Now go there, blue line. You can change, enter and see what is going on. Here, enter. No, I want blue. Okay, I want blue. Second, oh, I don't want a red one. It's going to be confusing. Blue. See, I don't want a line. See, y is less than, right? Y is less than, right? So underneath the line, it has to color, right? See, this one did we not discuss in this class or in the other? I discussed in the other class. Okay, so you have to use this. Do you see it, guys? Meaning, what I am saying is, y is less than is there, right? That means if you draw a line, whatever is underneath, you're going to color, right? So this arrow you need to use. You got it? This one. You see here, this one. That you'll use. Okay. Then you'll come back to your calculator and say, okay, done. Now that would be, you have to type in the values 4 minus x. Go to the next one. What is that? Greater than or equal to. So go back, enter, greater than, right? So top triangle should be there. Let's see. Top triangle, is it coming? Yes. You see greater than or equal to. Okay. Now start typing it. 2x minus 2. Got it, guys? Graph. Makes sense, guys? So now the overlapping section is the solution. Does that make sense, all of you? Shreya, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
Have they covered this in school already?
Not yet.
Okay, so it'll be very useful when they cover. So you have the calculator, ma?
No.
So what do you do then? How do you manage at school?
Oh, I have one at school, but like not like here, not at home.
They provide calculators at school?
Yeah.
Ma, buy one, ma, then only you'll be fast with PSAT. Okay,
Okay.
TA or CE plus. So it's there. Do you see? This is the model of the calculator that I'm asking.
Mhm.
For your benefit, I'm saying I'm not going to get anything from this. TA84 CE plus. Got it? That's the model. It will be very useful for your SAT exam. You want me to message your mom?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So do this. That way you get used to the operations and you'll be very fast. Every section, every question is provided with a calculator in SAT.
Mhm.
So the more you get used to, the better you are. Now, so which is the solution? The overlapping region. Which is the overlapping region? This is your solution region. Okay. Any point in this is a solution. But here, guys, there's one catch. Let me ask you questions. See, one of the inequality is less than alone. There is no equal to here. One of it is greater than or equal to. So this line, right, has a positive slope. So this is the red line. This is the blue line. Now tell me, guys, Is this a solution to the equation? Are points on this line solution to the equation?
Yes.
No.
No, right? Because I'm talking about the blue line. Blue line does not have equal to sign. So points on that line are not solution to the equation. Make sense? I'm talking about the blue line. Blue line has only less than. That means any point less than only is a solution, not on the line. Whereas for the red line with a positive slope, right, that is this line. Any point on that line is a solution to the equation, to the inequality. Make sense? Subi, are we clear?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? You're going to tell me this, guys, quickly. You can do it by yourself. Only one problem will do. Rest of it you can solve at home. 2y plus 2x minus 3. You can use calculators. Less than 0. You're going to rearrange however you want. Please tell me whether origin 0, 0 is a solution or not. Yes or no?
Miss Priya, it's giving me an error.
Means
It says
what are you,
invalid dimension.
what is it?
For the last problem that we did, it says invalid dimension.
Are you using the website or are you using the physical one, ma? Huh?
Physical.
Physical, okay, Rishit, you got the answer. You're using the physical one. What are you getting? Invalid dimension where?
It just says error. And like
Go to your y equal to, go to the topmost left button. What does it say? What did you type there?
y1 equal to 4 minus x, y2 equals to 2x minus 2.
Okay, then did you go to graph?
Yeah. And then it says invalid dimension.
Invalid dimension, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, go to window button. What does it say?
Window, x, like x minimum is 26, x maximum is 74.
Oh, why don't you put minus 10, 10? X min is minus 10, X max is 10. Put whatever is in there. See, you have to adjust sometimes the window. Minus 10, 10, 1. You can give some approximate values where you'll be able to see.
It says, when I'm trying to change it, it says, check all arguments entered. And it gives me an error.
Okay, what is, can you take a picture of, show me what you typed in, y equal to,
Oh, hold on. So if I have this,
you have to bring it closer, Amma.
hold on.
For some reason I can't see. Bring it down. Bring it a little bit down, I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah, I'm able to see. No, you're not showing me.
There's this thing, it's like not letting me hold mute. I have to like physically hold mute to like talk. Basically, I'll,
Something is not right.
you know, I have it as no, -10.
Oh, negative 10. Oh, I know what you're using. Negative 10, you should not use this, Amma. Oh, I know. I think I know the problem. Are you using this as the negative sign? You should use this. Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you, wait. This is the problem. Negative 10, you should be using this sign.
Wait, where?
You should use this negative. You're seeing my screen or not? You should not use this. That's a common mistake people do. Kids do.
I got
You got it now? Done?
I got it.
Okay. So that's a common mistake. You all remember, even if you face that error, right? You will be using this minus. You should be using only this. Can I move on now? Yeah, many of you got the solution. Shreya, you want to try Shreya? Then only I'll know you know it, right, Shreya?
I like don't understand it
What is that you don't understand? Tell me. Are you
like
able to
at
do it in the
all. Like I don't understand the calculator thing.
T84 calculator? I showed you how to type it in, right, lady? Go to a stat plot, type your equations, go
Yeah,
to graph, you see the graph.
but I don't have the calculator, so how do I do that?
There's an online, right? I am doing, right? T84calc.com. That's
Okay.
what others are also doing. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? Okay. And now I really want you to do. Okay. See, guys, when practical scenarios are given, right, you should be able to write the inequalities by yourself. These two are very easy. They have directly given the inequality. You just type it into the graph. Whereas when we start solving word problems, right, some of the inequalities should be valid. You see, meaning sometimes you'll consider x as the number of cakes. If you consider x as number of cakes, you should know x should be greater than or equal to 0. If you consider y as a number of candies, right, y has to be greater than or equal to 0. Y can't be a negative number. These are inequalities that you frame for yourself. You see what I mean? Based on the context, you should be able to come up with these inequalities. Like 3, 4 inequalities will be there. When you plot it, whatever is the overlapping region will be your answer. Make sense? I'm going to go ahead and do 1 or 2 problems. Rishit, one quick question to you, Rishit. Is it possible for you to come in the Sunday class? You're doing cubic, right? Okay, I'll talk to him later. Okay, let's see this one. How about this?
We just finished our cubic unit.
Mm-hmm. What are you doing in school, Emma?
We just had like a unit on like cubic inverse. We had our test today, but it was like solving for imaginary roots and rational roots and
Quadratics, okay.
like amount of possible roots.
Oh, okay.
And then we had it was for cubics though, and then we did hold up. I'm trying to think. Like synthetic division.
I see. Amma, we'll go to that next week or the next week, ma.
Okay.
Okay. And I want to use just
Wait,
stay after class and
how would we give the answer for this?
blue paint and red paint. I'll tell you, ma. I'll tell you how to do. Blue paint and red paint. To cover 5,000 square foot billboard. To cover 5,000 square foot billboard. Gallon of paint can cover 500 square feet. Red paint costs 20 book per gallon. Red paint costs 20 per gallon. Blue is 30 per gallon. Blue paint costs $30 per gallon. I have $250 to spend. Okay. Now what do we do? Moody? Can we write the inequalities, guys? Just tell me what are the inequalities. You're going to frame this into inequality.
20R plus 30B is less than or equal to 250.
One second, ma. Sorry, ma. Anish. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's go ahead. Sorry, ma. Anisha, tell me.
One of them is 20R plus 30B is less than or equal to 250.
20R plus 30V less than or equal to 250. Okay, and then R is the number of gallons of red paint, right, ma?
Yeah.
What are the other inequalities you did? Hash is a number, ma. A number of blue. Let me put it as blue paint gallons. Okay, what other inequalities did you come up with? Yeah, that is right. Okay, then 500R, right? 1 square feet now. 500R plus 500B. What inequality is that? Can I say greater than or equal to 5,000? Did you all get what was that?
Yeah.
This. Yeah. And then what? R greater than or equal to 0. Number of red paint gallons should be greater than 0. Number of blue paint gallons should be greater than 0, right? Yep. Now can we put it? Guys, here you need to bring up to the y equal to format. These are crazy inequalities. So you need to change them and bring it to, what will you do? Let me bring it to R format. If I bring it to R format, R is less than or equal to 250 minus 30B divided by 20. I can write this out as R is less than or equal to 12.5 minus 1.5B. Make sense? Similarly, here as well, you need to bring it. What is that? Divide by 100.
We
R.
no, never mind.
10 minus B. Correct? Can you plug this in and tell me the answers quick?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma'am.
I put it in the calculator, but like, how do you want us to show you the
I
answer?
just want one value of R comma B that satisfies both the inequalities. You
Okay.
can just tell me one point from the graph. Linear programming can go crazy difficult.
Wait, so will I put like a point that's in the like range?
Correct, ma, in the overlapping region.
What?
In the overlapping region, any one point you can name.
Okay.
Is there a way to see the points in the region? Because I can't really read the calculator.
I didn't get you. What is that you're asking?
I can't read the coordinate points on the calculator.
Meaning, is it small?
Like, yeah, it's too small to.
Are you using website?
Yeah.
Can you share your screen? I'll help you quickly rather than
I'm
wasting
on
time.
another device.
Oh, okay, no problem. What can you do? Go to window. Go to window. See this X min. Please understand what are these. X min is what you know in the graph. X min is, see guys here. Understand all the points. X min is minus 10. What is that you want? You check. Which region you want to see. Based on that you set. Per my window, go to window. When I see that, I see X minus minus 10. So it is starting to appear from minus 10. X max is 10. Do you want all of those? Do you want to make it zoom in or zoom out? Think about everything. Now, Y max is this. Y min is this point. So based on what region you need to see, you scale it up. And one more thing, what you need to learn is, see, I told you about how to set this Y max. You don't need anybody. You can set for yourself. Here, when you set this, right, this negative sign is this sign, not this one. Okay, now you know these. Okay, but what is this? XSCL means interval on the x-axis, interval on the y-axis. Interval on the x-axis is 1. Okay, if it is 1, when you look at it, right, in the graph, let me erase all this off. See, each interval, x interval, y interval is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes you might need the interval to be 0.2 or 0.5. Change accordingly, then only it will zoom in. You got it? So based on what you need, you change all these. Meaning this and this, if you change automatically, you'll be able to see the graph. Got it? You're able to view now?
Yeah, that helps.
Okay. So change the window. Whoever is not able to see, right? You don't have to depend on anybody. You can yourself adjust if you know what are these parameters. To be honest with you, I've never changed this $x in trace step. X resolution, even I don't know what it is. I have to check. But the rest you can change and make sure your graph is positioned within the window. Shreya, you're able to do with the calculator? I'm concerned.
I'm
You're
trying to
able to?
do it right now.
Oh, okay. Do something. You should learn out of the class something. You should be able to graph it. Then only it will be useful for your later exams as well. How about Ishita, you're able to do?
How did
Did you get
put it in the calculator?
which one, Amma? See,
Hey,
these are the two things I put in the calculator.
yeah.
Shrikar, did you do?
My calculator started glitching, so I had to restart it. But yeah, I got it. I got what you did.
Okay. See, this is the time you learn. If you miss this, it's gone. It's important that you learn. All these are really valid for your PSAT, the PSAT 10, that NMSQT for that scholar, some national semi-finalists or finalists, national merit scholarship exam. These all will carry forward to that exam. You should be able to write inequalities based on the context given and graph it into the calculator, find out a couple of points. They'll give you some solutions. Is this a solution? Is that a solution? They'll ask. Tell me, okay, you can tell me whether 11, 1 is a solution. Tell me whether 11, 1 is a solution. Also tell me whether 12, 5 is a solution. A, B. I want yes or no. If you don't know, ask now. It's 7, 5 lady, I don't remember.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay.
You don't know yet. Okay. Let's see. Really? Avni, is it right?
I think I might have switched it. Like,
Yeah, I will show Marshya. Neither. Rishit. Rishit, did you get your answers?
Yeah, I'm typing it in.
But your equation R plus B is greater than or equal to 10, right? Not 500.
Yeah, I changed mine, seeing yours.
Okay. But did you understand why?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, Shreya wanted me to help putting it to the calculator. Any help you want, you tell. Okay. So here, let me go to the calculator. I'll change my equations to R is less than or equal to, right? This less than or equal to, the first equation tells me that it has to be a lower triangle, less than or equal to. So 12.5 minus 1.5x. Clear. Where is the clear button? 12.5 minus 1. Avni, I'm not able to accept yours is correct, but I don't know, ma.
yeah,
Let's check.
excuse me, Miss Priya. When I was solving mine, I kind of solved it ahead of time and I switched R and B, like I did it the opposite way.
Oh, so it's wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
Now clear this. If you clear this, you can type your equation. R is greater than or equal to means upper triangle. Correct. 10 minus B. Oh, what in the world we did? Oh, 10 minus B. There is no B, right? I should put X. That was a problem. I'm not able to see anything.
Miss Priya,
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
is my answer correct? Because I think I like know how to find out if like a coordinate's on the solution area.
You want me to say which is correct or not?
Yeah, because I sent my answer.
But mine seems incorrect. Correct?
What I did was I just
Are
I
you getting this overlap? Do you see my
yeah,
screen?
I got the same
Same
thing.
thing? Okay, then
Yeah,
let's
but I
then
changed the
window. Yeah, I'm going to change
yeah,
it.
I
Give
changed
me
the
1
window.
minute. Yeah, give me 1 minute. I'll change it to. So my y value can be till 5. I don't want the left side at all. When you look at it, I don't want the left side at all. So let me go to window. I don't want minus 10. I can have a minus 2 here. And then see, you know what mistake I did. I know what mistake I did. I have to get out now. Quit. There is a quit button. Quit. Now go back. Go to window. The minus 10, I should use the proper minus. That's the problem. So minus 2. This minus I should not use, remember? So clear minus 2. And then x max is okay. XSCL is okay. But y min I don't have to have a minus 10 at all. So it can be a minus 1. Let me see the graph. Still, I did not do a good job. So let me go back to the window. Y min can be 1. Y min can be, see, Y min did not get adjusted. It has to be a minus 1, I said. Now graph it. Yeah, it is coming, but still it's not nice. So let me go ahead to the window. X min, I don't know, X min, X max,
Wait,
at least
that's
the
not the
Y.
graph I
Did
got
you just
though.
X max and Y max?
Yeah, kind of graph. Is this the graph you got it?
No, I didn't get anything similar to that.
Then what did you get, lady?
Wait here.
Let me quickly check, guys. See, there is one mistake in the graph. Okay, I'll tell you what is the mistake here. When I'm just going over this less than or equal to. So what is happening? 1 is less than or equal to. This is correct. Greater than or equal to. That is as well correct. Greater than or equal to. Yeah, that's correct. So 1 is less than or equal to, meaning This has a negative slope. Negative slope less than or equal. Negative slope less than or equal to. This is also a negative slope, meaning this is the steeper line. Steeper line, this is the steeper line. So less than or equal to. Yeah, that seems correct to me.
Oh wait, I think I might have changed the sign. How do you put less than?
See, Anya, I showed you, right, Anya? Meaning,
Never
go
mind, my
here.
signs are right. I don't know what I did.
Less than, this is greater than or equal to 10 minus b, 12.5 minus 1.5
Yeah,
b.
that's pretty much exactly what I have.
Subi, did you get the same graph?
I have it like this.
Like what? Wait, I'm not able to. You have it like this. Yes, that's right. That's the same graph I am get. No. Oh, yeah. That seems different to me.
Mine's
But
different
Well,
than both of
that's the same graph you started off with, but then when you went to window and changed like
yeah,
the
that's okay then.
axis, it
That's
changed.
okay then. Don't worry about it. Window can make any number of changes. So I'm going to increase the, see, y interval I have to increase. Y interval I have to increase. So how do I increase the y interval?
Oh wait, never mind, Miss Priya, I got it.
You got it? Okay. 0.5 graph. See, I'll increase the y interval still. This is not enough. So I'll go, meaning y interval should be zoomed in. 0.25 I'll have. Let me see what happens. See, so much better now. You see? So the negative, anyway, see, your R value has to be greater than 0. So your answer, meaning whatever solution you choose should be within this. Make sense? Within this triangle, basically. Make sense, guys?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
what does the Windows do?
What does the?
What does the Windows do in the calculator?
Okay, see, the window, if you go to the window, you can adjust the window, ma. That is what I was saying. X min, X max means I went to this. I'll show you. See, do you see X min, X max, X SCL, Y min, Y max? First, let me explain X min, X max, Y min, Y max. When you go to the graph, right? When you go to the graph, where is the graph? Okay, so this is your X min. X min, this is X min, this is your X axis max. Okay, this is your Y min, Y max. This is your Y min. You got it? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Miss Priya.
XSCL means, 1 minute, Krisha. XSCL means the interval on X. Each interval, right? 0.25 was my interval. That's why it's so less. If you want to zoom in, make the interval smaller and make the interval, yeah, smaller and smaller, right? Make sense?
Yes.
Zoom in, zoom out by making it smaller and bigger, you can get that done. Yes, Krisha, what was your question?
How do you do the shading thing?
Oh, Shrikar. What was that?
The shading, the red and blue shading on your screen.
Red and blue shading.
Like
Okay, now
thing.
can we talk? Yes, yes, Rashid. Red and blue shading. What do you do? Go to your window. Red and blue shading. No, go to your start plot here. You see the blue color, right? The first inequality is represented by the blue color. The second inequality is represented by the red color. Okay. When you go to the leftmost, let me come here. Wait, I'm not able to position the. Okay, I went here. I go to my leftmost. Do you see blinking there? Blink, 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 blink.
Oh
Do
yeah,
you see?
I see it.
There, enter. You can change the color and line, right? Line means if you want a line, you can draw a line. But this lower triangle says whatever is less than that line will be shaded. Upper triangle, upper right corner triangle, right? Now click OK here. Okay, now come to the next one. See, here when I go, upper right triangle is there, right? That means greater than the line.
Yeah,
You
I
got
see
it?
it. I see it. It just shows this online though.
Correct.
Okay.
Makes sense?
Yeah, I
Okay,
got it.
now can I give you one more question? Krishiv, did you follow? Did you do the graphing?
Yeah, I did, but my computer's not letting me text the chat the answers to you.
Answers, okay. So 11, 1, 12, 5, both are not obeying is my thought about it. 11, 1, yes.
That's the same thing I got.
Yeah, neither a solution. Okay, as long as you get certain things, it's okay. But wait, guys. Now I am doing RS. R is red paint. R is I know what is the problem. Aha, okay. How about 0, 11? Is that a solution? 0, 11, is that a solution?
Yeah.
Or 1, 11, is that a solution? One, 11, is that a solution? How do you find it?
Yeah, I think so.
See, that point you can go and find out what are the intersection points. 4 y equal to 6.5. So you can go up and see, climb up and see, I would say. My problem. See, you should have physical calculator, then only you'll know nicely. See, yes, it is a solution. Do you see it, guys? Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Both are less than equal to, greater than equal to. So if you're on the line, it is a solution. So 11, 0, 11 is a solution. Correct. That's the same answer I see in the book as well. But why I got confused was school. You can either have R in the x-axis or B in the x-axis. You can do either way. Okay, so if you do either way, if you do in a different way, you may not have the same graph as me, but your solution should be correct. I will give the answer as R, B. You will give it as B, R. Doesn't matter. But the numbers should match the number of red paint and blue paint. Okay, now for red paint, blue paint, R, B, 0, 11 is a solution. 1, 11, 1 red paint and 11 blue paint is a solution. Make sense? Shreya, did you get it, ma? Anisha, did you get it?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay. Anisha, you got it?
Yeah, sorry, I just dropped something.
No worries. Can I? Okay. Now, okay, shall I go ahead now? I want you guys to do 1 or 2 hard problems. I don't know. Okay. How about this? Okay. Let me do this. You tell me one solution and I am not going to do anything here. You're going to find out and send me the answer. That way I know who does it. Okay.
Miss Priya,
Mm.
I have to go, but before I go, can I ask a question about the calculator?
Absolutely. Absolutely, please.
What is the difference between TI-84 plus CE? But because I had just the TI-84 plus.
That's fine. Don't worry about it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah. T84 plus is good.
Okay,
You don't need to change. Yeah, yeah. Bye, ma. She also babysits. Okay, answer as pharmacy, babysitting hours. Okay, now I'll ask you, okay? Is 6, 0 a solution? Number 1, 6 hours of pharmacy and 0 hours of babysitting is a solution or not? How about, I have one question, let's see. Nine, 9 solution. These are complicated ones. Let's see. If you're able to do, that's good. Then I can move on. Yeah, I want you to write the inequalities, please. If you don't know, you have to ask me immediately. You're going to write your own inequalities. P is on the x-axis, B is on the y-axis for now. Then you're going to write your own inequalities, plot your own inequalities, say whether this is a solution or not, that's all.
Wait, can I
Anisha,
get the
then,
two solutions again?
yeah, ma?
Can I get the two solutions again?
Yeah, sure. 6, 0, 9, 9.
Okay.
Really, Rishit, I don't know. I don't think so. Your answers are right. Do you want to check, Rishit?
Okay.
I feel like that is incorrect. Can you check?
Okay.
If I'm wrong, you have to prove me wrong.
Okay.
Mm,
Wait, my answer is correct.
your answer is correct. Okay, let me check. Mm, you know what? Okay. If I do this, what happens, Rishit? She needs at least $90 per week. If I do that, something changes. I meant to do that, but I think I did not have that word, so you might have got confused. Can you check and tell?
Wait, what did you say?
She needs to earn more than, let's say, wait. She needs more than. If I say that, what is the change, Rishit? She needs more than $90 per week.
There won't be that much of a change because I plotted it in.
Let me see quickly, wait. Really? No, I'm looking at your equations and all. There will be a change, Rishit, in your answers.
Wait, more than?
Yeah, if I say
Okay.
she needs more than $90 per week, there will be a change in your
Yeah.
solution. Do you want to say that in the chat? What is the change in the solution?
It's gonna become just
Yes, which one?
for the first equation, it's gonna become
No, I just want the answer for the last two questions I've asked you. Is
Oh,
6,
okay.
0 a solution?
Miss Priya,
E-
how much?
Subi, it's the other way, Subi. Yeah. 6, 0, yes. Oh, Subi, you're right, sorry. Anisha, not really, ma. Oh, I changed that. She needs more than $90 per week means, Anisha. Avni, if I put it as more than 90 hours, $90 per week means, if I just make that change, she needs more than $90 per week.
I changed my answer.
What would change? It's correct, Akshada. Correct, Rishit. Okay, I think most of you got it. Shrikar, Shreya, I didn't get. Krishav, I didn't get. Anya, let me know you guys need help now, I'll do. Otherwise, I'll just move on.
Oh no, I'm putting my answer in right now.
Sure. If you need help, just feel free to ping. Otherwise, it's okay, I'll move on.
Miss Priya, is what I sent you correct?
Avani, correct, ma. Anisha, correct. Sure, Anisha. Sure, Shreya. I'll wait, Shreya.
Miss Priya,
Yes.
I sent my
Shrikar,
equations. Are they correct?
Wait, does it say
Perfect.
5 an hour? What does that say?
Sorry for my handwriting. She also babysits for. She also, Linda works for $15 an hour. She also babysits for $10, ma. $10. Somehow it got erased.
Okay,
$10 an hour.
thanks. Yeah.
Miss Priya, are my equations correct?
Yeah, correct, ma. Shrikar, I think you got it. You got, oh, you're not getting the answer after that?
I don't think so. I think I
Okay,
put
how
it
can I help you? See, just, okay, you got this right, Shrikar.
Yeah.
Right now, I asked you to have B on the y-axis. So solve for B. 10B is
Oh, I
greater
solved
than
for the B.
19.
My bad.
19 minutes. I mean, you can do either way. Both are right. Only thing then you have to change your answers from what mine, meaning 0,6, 9,9 you should have. Doesn't matter if you change that. B is greater than 9 minus 1.5 B. Pretty sure that is right. Anya, what is that 4,5? Is that an answer you're saying?
Hmm.
4,5 doesn't seem to be the answer.
Hmm.
Thanks. Anya, 4,5 doesn't seem to be the solution, ma.
Yeah, I know. I'm just like putting my work in there so I don't forget it.
Okay, I can help you. You want me to graph it on the
No,
board?
I'm almost done. I'm almost.
Okay.
Well, do I have to put the inequality in? Because that's a like point in the range.
4,5 or which one you're asking,
Yeah,
Anya?
4,5.
Yeah, put it and see. That won't be a solution at all. Did you get it?
No. I thought like for me like 4,5 is working. Oh, never mind. I see what I did wrong. I put plus instead of minus.
Okay, no problem. Anybody else? Can I move on? Shreya, did you get it, ma?
On my center, is that right?
You got it? Shreya, what sort of a graph you got? I want to see. You should have gotten a graph like this.
Wait, what would P comma B stand
Like
for?
this, you should have gotten. Whatever is in this is a solution.
Yeah, I think I got that.
You got that?
Yeah.
Then 6, 0 is in that overlapping region.
Wait, let me check. Oh no, it's not.
9, 9. 9, 9 is in the overlapping region.
No.
It is right, Amma.
Where?
9,
It's not.
9, 9 is on this line. 6, 0 is on this line. This line is not a solution. So,
Oh, but when it's on the line with like,
yes,
then it
because,
counts.
yeah, that depends. Here, your equation is greater than. That means whatever is greater than this line is a solution. Whatever is less than or equal to this line is a solution. Any point on this line is a solution. Oh,
Mhm.
sorry, you got it?
Yeah.
You got, okay. Can I move on? Okay. Can I just move on to the other class I started with polynomials, guys. So you want me to start with polynomials or go to cubic functions? I'm okay with either. What do you want? What do you guys want me to do?
Any.
Any.
Because we.
Mm-hmm. Shreya, what do you know the sequence, Shreya? Cubic functions or polynomials first?
Because we had to memorize sum and difference of cubes.
Definitely yes. How about this, guys? Let's go to a function, this one. What is this? It's a cubic function, right? How do you graph this function? Do you all know? How do you graph this function? X, Y, plug in negative values, positive values. Here, 9, 4, 0, 1, 9. Plug it in, -3.
Wait, is it if the power? Wait, no, never mind.
Go ahead.
No, never mind. It
Minus
was like a sort of related to this, but it wasn't about like specifically cubic.
1, comma. I made a mistake, guys. Y equal to x cube, right? -3 is a -9. Okay. -2 is a -4. 0, 0, 1, 1, 3, 9. What happened here, guys? Do you see that? It's a shared function. So now can you tell me, let's discuss some properties. Rishit, you want to tell me the domain and range? Okay, he's not there. How about you? Krishiv, you want to tell me the domain and range? And tell me the end behavior, one of you.
The range is negative infinity is, or do I, which way do I say it in interval?
You can say in interval notation.
Interval is negative infinity.
Positive infinity, right? Domain,
Domain would be
same thing, right? It goes on and on and on. Similarly, it goes on and on and on, right? Minus infinity to infinity. Make sense? Okay, end behavior as, how do you write the end behavior? As x tends to minus infinity, y tends to minus infinity. X tends to infinity, y tends to infinity. Any questions? Okay. Now, when the function is increasing, when the function is decreasing, is the function even or odd? Graphically, as soon as you see it in the graph, is the function even or odd? How do you find it?
It's odd.
It's odd because it is symmetric around the origin. See, if it is symmetric around the origin, it's odd. This is symmetric around the origin. O, symmetric around origin. See, because this can be repeated here. Do you see? It's reflected around the origin point. So it is symmetric around the origin. So it's an odd function. If it is symmetric about the y-axis, it's an even function. Okay. Similarly, if f of x is equal to f of minus x, if f of x is equal to f of minus x, it's even. Did I make a mistake? F of x is equal to f of minus x, correct? Suppose f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x means it's odd. This is algebraical way. This is graphical way of telling whether a function is even or odd. This is the algebraic way of telling a function is even or odd. Let's see y equal to x cube. So here f of x is equal to x cube. Now we know f of x. We are going to substitute this as minus x. What would happen? This will become minus x the whole cube. Minus x times minus x times minus x, it will still be, minus will be outside and x cube. So basically, f of minus x became minus f of x. Do you see it? So in this case, the function is odd. Any questions? Okay. Now, let me ask you a couple of things on transformation. How about this? How about this? X minus 2 the whole cube. What transformation is this? For parent functions, for a cubic function, parent function is, let's say, f of x equal to x cube. Okay. This became g of x equal to x minus 2 the whole cube. What is the transformation here? Tell me, ma. Anybody, please.
Did it move 2 units to the right on the x-axis?
Yep. It moves 2 units to the right on the x-axis, correct? So we'll go to complex ones. How about this? You can describe for me. G of x is equal to 2 times plus 3 the whole cube plus 4. Now, guys, I really don't want you to describe or anything. You can describe for yourself, okay? Just tell me, where did the point in the original graph, the minus 1 comma 1 move to what point? Similarly, from the original graph, 0 comma 0 move to what point? 1 comma 1 move to what point? Please, guys. For this, you know what I'll do? I'll go ahead and write the verbal description of the transformations. It affects which coordinates I will write. Then I'll draw a table. Parent transform function. So parent x comma y transformed. How did x change? Meaning from the verbal description, I'll know x, how did it change, and y, how did it change. I will write that in here. I'll write that in here. Now I'll put -1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Based on what I write here and I write here, I write the x and y values. This is what I want basically. If you don't remember or understand, I'll help. Rishit, you're aware of this, right?
Yeah.
What is it, no?
The transformations.
Yeah. I just want to know, where did -1 comma -1 go in the transform function, 0 comma 0 go? You can do it and say.
So
You
-1.
want to send it? You want to send it in the.
Yeah.
This is something I want this. There's one more question I would like to do on transformations. Then we need to find inverses as well. Let's see. Or graphs of polynomial functions, we can go to things. Graphs of polynomial functions, we can go to after this.
Priya auntie,
Mm-hmm.
I need to leave now.
Okay, ma. Bye, ma.
Bye.
Bye, ma. Shreya, you're okay?
Yes, sorry, I had to get my charger.
Okay. Did you get it, Marishit?
So
You can
one of the
send
values is
send it in chat, Amma, so
Okay.
that I'll check. Anya, you got your answer, Anya? Hmm. You can send in chat, guys, so I'll know what is the answer. Nisha, I'm checking. 2 times 6 plus 3 gave you, comma 3. Hey, good job. Shrikar. No, Shrikar. What are those points, Shrikar? It cannot be this big, I tell you. How did you do? Tell me, how did you do? I'll help you.
I plugged in.
You plugged in, you cannot plug in, right?
Oh wait.
No, your basic graph is this, right? I'm asking you, how did it move? Meaning, this is your basic graph. Basically, first, you have to start with what? This one, right? Horizontal compression by half. It will affect the x coordinate. Then
Left 3. Are you doing?
left 3, correct. So it is going to affect the x. Then up 4. It's going to affect the y. Now, x is going to be multiplied by half. And then left 3 means subtract 3. Rishit, did you get the answer?
yeah.
Not really, Rishit. You're also plugging in?
Oh no.
No. How are you getting so big values? You're just plugging x and y values here?
Yeah, I plugged -1, 0, and 1 into the new equation.
No, right. That is not the way we do, right?
Okay.
That's not how you do, right?
So do we put it in? So do we just like use the -1 from the old equation, plug that in to get the new x?
First, you need to write how the transformation, how the graph transformed. Okay, then see, half was multiplied with the x coordinate and subtracted with the 3 since it moved left. Y was added 4. Now see what happens. This is my old values, right? Old values minus 1 was multiplied with half. It became minus half minus 3. So what is that? 6.
Negative
Minus 3.5.
3/2.
Yeah, so that minus 1 on the x coordinate went to minus 3.5. So this minus 1 comma 1, right? This point moved where? Minus 3.5. Yeah, so 3.5 somewhere here. But y is what? Y plus 4, right? 3. So it moved here. Do you see it?
Yeah.
This point went here. Now the next point 0, 0, how did it change? Multiply by this minus 3 and then 4.
-3 and 4.
Minus 3 and 4. You see? Makes sense? And then the third one, 1 was half minus 3 is what? Minus 6 plus
-2
2.5.
1/2.
Yep, minus 2.5 and 5, I think. You
Yeah.
got it, huh? So it's like this. So basically it went like this. Make sense?
Yeah.
That's what I asked. Rishit, Sorry, Shrikar, did you get it, Shrikar?
Yeah, wait, how'd you get negative 3.5?
Negative 3.5, that's what I'm saying. See, first you write out how the transformations
No, I
happen.
got that. But you
Yeah.
started -1, don't you? Wait, no.
Yeah, I start with -1. I'll show you. X coordinate, what and all the changes happening. Multiply by half and subtract 3. Write the rule down here. Y was added with the 4. Write the rule down. Now, from this X, right, just plug this X into this.
Oh, okay, now I
Then
got
you
it.
get this. Plug this Y into this, you get the Y. You got it? Can I move on? Shreya, did you get to ma?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. I want you to do one hard one related to horizon. Wait, let me get you one question that I want you to. Almost everything you'll solve, excluding this one. Let me see. How about this? How about this? G of x will be equal to minus 1 by 4 x minus 1 the whole cube plus 2. Okay. In this scenario, just tell me where 0, comma 0 went. That's all. 0, comma 0 in your parent graph. Parent graph is x cube. 0, comma 0 in this graph got transformed to what in this graph? Next week, we'll graph polynomial functions. And then we'll go to polynomials. If you want me to go to polynomials, I'll directly go. Or we'll graph polynomial functions and then go. I'm okay with either. Rishit, are you able to do this one?
Wait, Miss Priya, do we just do 0, 0, or do we do anything else?
0, comma 0 alone, I want to know. That way I know, right? Oh, okay. What is that we didn't cover? We did not cover. Rishit, that's not correct, Rishit. The x coordinate is not correct. Can you check?
Yeah.
The x coordinate seems incorrect. I really want to do one problem on you yourself writing equation. That way I finish the subunit. I did not cover that. I'll show you one question at least. Can you check, Rishit? I think that's right, Shrikar.
Okay.
That is right.
Wait, what are we answering though?
Anisha, correct. Shreya, there's a sign problem on the x coordinate. Krishiv, correct. Avni, the x coordinate is incorrect, ma. We are finding in the new transformed function what is the value for 0, 0 in your parent function went to what place. Subi, correct.
Okay.
Subi, you are following the homework well, right, Subi?
Yeah, like for
To a good extent, right? You're understanding whatever is going on, right?
yeah, for like these type of questions I get.
Get it. See, transformation is the bulk of algebra too. Be it any function, you have to transform. Rishit, did you get it?
No, not really.
Okay, I'll help on the X score. Okay, so what are the X alone I'll describe, okay? Now, X only everybody got incorrect. So, see here, this minus is what? Reflection on what axis? Reflection on
Why?
y-axis. Reflection on y-axis affects the x-coordinate. X-coordinate becomes negated, correct?
Yeah.
Then it is a horizontal stretch by 4. Makes sense? It affects the x-coordinate. This is up by 2 affects y-coordinate. This is left or right by 1, right? Right by 1 affects x-coordinate. How did the x change? X comma y 0 comma 0 parent, right? But in the transform function, how did it change? The reflection on the y-axis means x got negated and then it was multiplied by 4. So it was minus 4x. And right by 1 it was added 1. So 0 comma 0, what happens? 0 comma 0. Do you see? Plug in the 0 here, you get a 1, right?
Yeah.
Now, for the y means it's just y plus 2, that's all. What happened? This became 2. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now guys, let's see this one. Suppose if I give you the graph, go ahead and write the cubic equation. That's what we're dealing with. I'm going to draw the graph for you. This is 2, 1. This is 1, 4. This is 0, 7. 0, 7. What I am doing? 0, 7. 0, 7. This is my cubic graph. Now, I want you to write, the general format is what? A times x minus h the whole cube plus k. This is f of x. Can you write the cubic function for this graph? How do you do it? When you think about it, right? This h comma k is always the 0, 0 transformed value. What is the 0, 0 transform value in this graph? See, there were always 3 reference points in a cubic function. 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 1. These are the reference points. Now, the middle point is always taken as what? That is a 0, 0 transformed point. So, here, what is that h, k? What is that h, k from the graph?
0, 7. Sorry.
That's up, down, middle. The middle one. So, I'll put 1 here, 4 here. Make sense, guys? Does it make sense? Now, y will be equal to a times x minus 1 the whole cube plus 4. We got it. We know 2 more points. We don't need 2 more points. This I used it. We know 2 more points. I will take either this or this. I'll take this one because 1 is 0. It's easy for me to substitute. If I take 0, 7, I can plug that in. 7 equal to 8 times 0 minus 1 the whole cube plus 4. I'm plugging in 0, 7 into this equation. Now I get minus a plus 4 equal to 7. A will be equal to 3. So my equation will become f of x equal to 3 times x minus 1 the whole cube plus 4. Any questions, guys? That's it.
Wait, how is it
Wouldn't it
positive
be
3?
negative?
Sorry. Yes.
Wouldn't it be
Good.
negative?
Good. Thanks. Make sense?
Yeah.
So first you will identify what is h comma k. After that, you will use the xy values. Any xy value you can use. Plug that in. Find a or b. A means it's vertical compression or stretch. Sometimes they will ask you to write the format of this general function, right? Can also be written as a times 1 minus b times x minus h the whole cube plus k. This can also be the case. Okay, this you'll write it. It depends. It doesn't have to be a, right? Even after you plug in, it can be 1 by b you can find. Okay, at that time, you either write it as vertical or horizontal. This is vertical compression or stretch. This is horizontal compression or stretch. Does that make sense? How to write an equation from a graph? Do you want to do one or done? I'm okay with either. You can feel free to say.
Can we do one?
What is it?
Can we do one?
Yeah, we can do one. Let's see one. How about this? Shall we do 1 by b? Okay, I'm asking you to write it in the format 1 by b x minus h, the whole cube. See, it's inside the cube plus k. Then only it is horizontal. Now, let me put the points as 1 comma minus 2, minus 2 comma minus 3, minus 2 comma minus 3, and the last one minus 5 comma minus 4. 1 comma minus 2, minus 2 comma minus 3, minus 5 comma minus 4. The points are not correct, guys. I'm just plotting them. Go ahead, but the values I've given are right. So you just tell me what are the values of B, what are the values of H and K. That's all. Not a hard one. It's just writing the equation from the graph. Let me let the kids in, guys. If you get it, you can log off. Just send the equation to me and you can log off. If you didn't understand, it's okay, I'll help. Shreya, nice to see that was right, ma. Anisha.
Wait.
Correct, ma, Anisha. You just tell me the B value, that's all.
B value?
Yep. Because I wrote it as I asked you in the format of horizontal stretch and compression. I didn't ask you in the vertical stretch and compression, right?
But there's HK and X.
Yes, HK you found out. So plug in the H and K into the equation. There is so
Okay.
many X and Y. X and Y's are present in the graph, right? You can use
Okay.
that and
Yeah,
find
I
out the
just
B.
wanted. Yeah, I
But
just
finding
wanted.
the B is a little tricky than A. Geometry, guys, please hold on for a few minutes. Finding B is a little teeny tiny bit tricky than A because it's inside the cube. Ansha, did you get the value?
No, I'm still finding it.
Okay. Did you get Anisha?
I'm solving for it right now.
Okay. Yeah, no pressure. I'll wait, guys. I think I'm a little hurrying. Okay, I'll go ahead and do it on the board, I think.
Wait, just give me one more minute. I'm almost there.
Sure.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
is B a whole number?
Yes. So h comma k, you already got it. I'm just plugging that in. That's all I'm doing. Right? But my x and y values, you can take any x and y. I prefer using smaller x and y's. So I'll plug this in here. Plug this in here. -2 equal to. See, finding the b is a little hard, honestly. 1 plus 2 is a 3. Then the whole cube minus 3. You have to be careful, that's all. 3, 3, 7, 27 by b. So when it comes this side equal to 1. Now I'm getting b. This is b cube, right? 27 by b cube. B cube is 27 means b is a 3. Did you get it? So be correct, ma. You can log off, ma. Shrikar, you can log off. Anya, b is a 3, ma. Finding b is always tough because it's inside the cube. You should not forget the cube.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Yeah, bye, ma. Anisha, Rishit, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, how
Then
do you go from b cubed with
Oh, I get it.
to b
good.
cubed equals 27?
Amma, this is, see, this is whole cubed, right? This
Yeah.
is 1 times 3 is 3. 3 cube is 27. Numerator, 3 cube is 27. Denominator is b cube.
Yeah.
So 27 by b cube minus 2, add 3 to both sides.
Yeah.
1. 1 is equal to 27 by b cube. B cube is 27.
Wait, how do you get the b cubed to the left side?
Oh, you don't have to multiply by b cube on both sides.
Oh,
Make sense?
yeah.
Miss
B cube equal to 27, b equal to b. Yes, ma.
I got the answer. I just made a few silly mistakes.
No problem. You can log off, lady.
Good night. I mean,
Bye. Good night, ma. Have a nice week ahead, guys. Shriya, did you get it?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
did.
me
After
too.
you
I put the
explained.
wrong number in by accident. Instead of -2, -3, I think I put -2, negative, and I have -2, +3.
Oh, here. Okay. Got it. Good. Krishu, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. You can leave. If you all got it, you can leave.
All right,
See you all
thank
next week.
you.
Rishit,
Bye.
what did you want to talk?
Thank
Rishit?
you.
Bye, ma. Rishit, what did you want to talk?
So at school we're doing this, but like we're a little ahead. And since you said that the other class for algebra 2
You
is
want to try that class? Because I'm on polynomials in that class.
oh,
See, the thing is, have you covered polynomials in school?
I think we have. That was our first unit. That was covered in our first unit.
Then the sequence is changing. See, because I'm covering polynomials there, and I'm going to cover cubic functions later in that class.
Okay.
See, the problem is Frisco ASD, each teacher is teaching one way. In that class, yes, I go by, to an extent, Frisco ASD curriculum. There they are all covering polynomials.
Okay.
Got it on? They have not done cubic functions yet.
Okay.
So, which is useful? Maybe I'll talk to your mom. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I'll call you sometimes, ask your mom to ping as well. Make sense?
Okay.
We'll talk it out and see if what is going to work out.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Hi guys, how are you all?